Hi, Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com, showing you how to replace the battery of a Sunglo PSA 265 or any natural gas with a DSI ignition system. So first thing you do is remove the screw, pull the plate out and up, take the module, and I would like to wiggle it out. And then we have the little cap here. Just remove the cap. You have a battery, AA. New battery goes in. Cap goes back on. Okay. And we take this. We insert the electrode wire onto the module. And then if you can come over here, I want to show you real importantly, this edge needs to be touching the inside of this box here. So you want to go ahead and squeeze that in and push it in place, kind of align it so you can get the hole aligned with this here. We'll go ahead and just put that in space, wiggle it a little bit. That hole up there is aligned. We just tighten that up. It doesn't have to be firmly tightened other than just a little bit tight like that. All right, well, thank you very much. Have a great day.